So part B, this is part B of the basic, the way we're using a basic pepeha and a basic mihi in introducing your whānau family ties. So here what you'll see, or what you'll have on your paper, is that you'll see you're in the centre, and then we have some figurines here which you'll have on your handout. So basically the formula we're using out of, you know, I mean, there literally are a few different ways you can recite your genealogy. This is the system that we're using, and again encouraging you to learn one way, learn it properly, and then have a look at the other ways instead of, as opposed to learning 2, 3, 4 ways, learning them not entirely, not really grasping them, sort of knowing 3 or 4 ways, as opposed to knowing one way, learning that, the whole of that, and then going on to learn the other ways that you can recite whakapapa. So the way that we've been working on in class is starting from your parents, for instance, just up here above you, and we say ka moe a dad, I a mum, ka puta ko au. Dad married mum, or had union with mum, and I appeared. Ka moe a dad, I a mum, ka puta ko au. I'm saying dad and mum because we all have, you know, I'm talking to you, but we all have, you know, I'm not sure who the name of your mum or dad is, but if it was my dad and mum I'm talking about, it would sound like this using their names. Ka moe a Lou, I a Hene, ka puta ko au. Lou had union with Hene, and I appeared. Hapa? So, if we use that same formula and go up to our grandparents, you're basically just cut and pasting that. You're repeating the same thing. So ka moe a granddad, I a grandmum, I a grandma, ka puta ko dad. Ka moe a granddad, I a grandma, ka puta ko mum. Ka moe a dad, I a mum, ka puta ko au. So it's just repeating that particular formula. So as an example, for my particular genealogy, from my grandparents down, it sounds like this. Ka moe a ruru, I a tui, ka puta ko Lou. Ka moe a piko, I a piti, ka puta ko Hene. Ka moe a Lou, I a Hene, ka puta ko au. Ko Rōpata Pāora ahau. And that's how it would sound, and that's how exactly how it can sound for you using your grandparents and your mum and dad's name. And of course we have father-in-law, mother-in-laws, and those other examples, but that's for another video. And that's the type of information that you can also speak to me about in class, or Robbie, or Moana Roa. Ngā mihi.